Hello everyone. What do you do when you notice that the battery icon in your Windows device doesn't appear? Here is a tech hack that you can use to bring back the battery icon. All you need to do is to click on Windows and X keys. The Windows and X, it will bring out the device manager, and once you click on the device manager, you are going to disable in this place two things. What you're going to disable are in the batteries. You see the batteries, we double click on it. So we're going to disable the Microsoft AC adapter and the Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery. So once we disable it, we are going to enable it. We disable it first. We disable it again, the two of them, and then we are going to enable it. Once we've enabled it, you will notice that the battery icon in your laptop will appear. So you try this tech hack if you notice that the battery icon in your device does not appear. So thank you very much and have a great day.